What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can play with your crossplay friends. First of all, pause your game and then we need to press R1 or RB in order to switch to social tab. Then press RT or R2 on your PlayStation controller in order to switch over to settings, and inside settings we need to go to social settings, and from here make sure that crossplay and everything is turned on here. So we need to set it as enabled, and then set your allow direct invites to friends only and allow party invites to everyone so that you can invite your crossplay friends. Then press L2 or LT in order to go back to search, and from here you can search for your friend's EID. Now to find your friend's EID, ask them to send you their EID so they can see their EID from the top left corner. As you can see, this is my EID. My friend can easily find me using this EID. So ask your friend for their EID and then type that here. So let's say my friend name is Jack. I can also type their name here like this, and once you hit enter it will show you all of the Jack usernames, and we just need to wait a bit. And once you find your friend here, just select their name and then press add EA friend, and the friend request will be sent. Then they can just go back to request tab, and from here they can accept your invite, and then you can add your friends and invite them into your party and you can start playing together. So this is the entire process. If you want to search for your friend more easily, then that's why I recommend you to ask for their EID. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.